I welcome you all. In this video, going to see about programming language. Programming languages. Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. It is the set of rules that defines how a Python program will be written and interpreted. The programming languages are used to communicate instruction to computer. It has many similarities to C and Java programming language. However, there are some definite differences between the languages. The programming languages are written based on syntactic and semantic rules. It can be divided into 9 major categories. They are interpreted programming language, functional programming language, compiled programming language, procedural scripting, markup programming, logic-based programming language, concurrent programming, and object-oriented programming language. Let's see one by one. Interpreted programming language. It is a programming language in which, without compiling a program into machine language instructions, we can execute instructions directly and freely. The interpreter executes the program line by line. Interpreted, a language gives many additional flexibility over compiled implementations like platform independence, dynamic scoping, dynamic typing, etc. The example of interpreted languages: Python, Ruby, Perl, Pascal, APL, BASIC. These are the examples of interpreted programming language. Next, functional programming language. It defines every computation as a mathematical evaluation. They focus on the application of functions. Some of the functional programming languages are pure functional language, but many so-called functional languages are impure, containing imperative features. They are not pure functional language. For example, Clean, Curry, F#, Haskell, and Q. These are the example of functional programming language. Compiled programming language. A compiled language is a programming language in which we use a compiler to compile and execute our code. The compilers are generally translators that translate machine level code from our written source code. Example of compiled languages: C, C++, C#, COBOL, Java, Fortran, VB, Ada, Algol. So these are the examples of compiled languages. Procedure programming language. It implies specifying the steps that the program should take to reach to an intended state. A procedure is nothing but a set of instructions that can be referenced through a procedure call. This helps in the reuse of code. This type of programming makes the programs structured and easily traceable for program flow. Example of these procedural languages are CList, Hyperton, MATLAB, PL/I. Scripting programming language. A scripting language or script language is a programming language for a runtime system that automates the execution of tasks that would otherwise be performed individually by a human operator. The scripting languages are usually interpreted at runtime rather than compile time. This programming language is used to control the applications. The example of scripting programming languages are AppleScript, AWK, Maya, PHP, VBScript. Markup programming language. Markup language is an artificial language that defines how the text to be displayed. It is used only to format the text so that when the document is processed for display, the markup language does not appear. Early markup systems typically included typesetting instructions. Modern markup systems name components and later process those names to apply formatting or other processing, as in the case of XML. One extremely important characteristic of most markup languages is that they allow mixing markup directly into text streams. This happens all the time in documents. A few words in a sentence must be emphasized or identified as a proper name, defined term, or other special item. This is quite different structurally from traditional databases. Example of markup programming language: curl, SGML, HTML, XML, XHTML. Logic based programming language. The logic programming is a type of programming paradigm which is largely based on formal logic. The logic based programming are set of sentences in logical form which express facts and rules about a problem domain. Example is ALF, Frill, Janus, Leda, Prolog. Concurrent programming language. It is a computer programming language that executes the operations concurrently. These languages are constructed for concurrency in message passing languages. Example is ABCL, EJOL, Limbo. Object-oriented programming language. It is a high-level programming paradigm based on the concept of objects, which may contain data in the form of fields, often known as attributes. In OOPS, computer programs binds related data and functions into an object and implements objects and their associated procedures to create software paradigms. The example of object-oriented programming language: Agora, Beta, Lava, Moto, Scala, Slate. Types of computer programming languages. There are three types of languages used in computer: machine language, assembly language, and high-level programming language. In machine language, the instructions are in the form of zeros and ones. The instruction in machine language consists of two parts. One is opcode and the second one is operand. Opcode tells the computer what functions are to be performed. The operand tells the computer where to store the data. Assembly language. In assembly language, the mnemonic code is assigned to each machine language instruction, which is easy to remember and write. The instruction in assembly language consists of four parts. They are label, opcode, operand, and command. High-level programming language. A high-level programming language consists of people language to simplify the computer algorithms. It allows the programmer to write sentences in the language which can be easily translated into machine language. The sentence written in high-level language is called as statements. Thank you.